Is your Samsung Galaxy S10 ready for Mint Mobile? Let's find out. We're answering definitively, will your Galaxy S10 work with Mint Mobile's savings? It's a crucial question. The good news first, the Samsung Galaxy S10 is fully compatible with Mint Mobile, yes. You can enjoy Mint Mobile's affordable plans on your device. To double check, let's examine the simple process. Visit the Mint Mobile website, look for their check compatibility tool. Enter your Galaxy S10 model. Expect a green check mark confirming compatibility that confirms everything is set. If your phone is compatible, you're ready to go. Next, you'll require a Mint Mobile SIM card. Order online or find one at stores like Best Buy. Then, remove your Galaxy S10's back and find the SIM card tray. Use the SIM ejector tool usually included to open the tray. Insert the Mint Mobile SIM card properly. Close the tray, power on, and wait for activation. Usually, it's automatic. You'll see the Mint Mobile network, and you're connected. Enjoy Mint Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S10. That's it, your Galaxy S10 and Mint Mobile are perfect together. Enjoy seamless service.